Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Ankit Harwani, practicing cornea, cataract and refractive surgeon from Netrajot Eye Hospital, Amravati. I'm going to share my experience on Aurolab Dfine lenses, which are multifocal hydrophobic lenses. Since introduction of Aurolab Dfine lenses into my practice, I have noticed a significant increase in my confidence when offering premium IOL options to the patients. To me, Aurolab Dfine lenses represents reliability and innovation. They give consistent results and good visual outcomes. Definitely after using these lenses, it has increased my practice reputation because when you use advanced technology and patient recognize when they get good results, it definitely adds up to your practice. I remember a case when a 65-year-old male came to me with an expectation of spectacle independence after cataract surgery. He do occasionally drive during the night time also. Patient was explained about the preoperatively, he was explained about the glare, halos and all the aberrations that we get with the premium IOL. But to my surprise and patient didn't get any of those symptoms and was very happy after the lens was implanted. The patient categories where we usually offer these premium IOL are the ones who are motivated for spectacle independence and have realistic expectations. Aurolab Dfine lenses definitely give you consistent results because we have seen in all of our cases after using Aurolab Dfine lenses, all the patients have gotten 6 and 6 without any refractive surprise post-operatively. As evident with these results, the patient satisfaction level is very high. Definitely, I will recommend these lenses to other cataract surgeons because they come at an affordable price. This makes it a good option for Indian cataract surgeons because most of the population socioeconomic strata over here is the middle class. Using these lenses, it definitely elevates our practice as a cataract surgeon.